Guys, just take a look at this channel. It was created only a few days ago, and it has uploaded just 39 videos, yet it has already gained 225,000 subscribers. Now take a look at this video. It was uploaded just 10 days ago, and it has already gained 57 million views. And honestly, 57 million views are more than enough to get any YouTube channel monetized. And the interesting part is that this channel simply uploads AI Animer webcam videos. Now guys, take a look at this video. I actually created this video myself completely for free. Now, to create videos like this, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, you don't have to do much. You will simply need 2 prompts, and I've already prepared both of them for you. So guys, how will you get these prompts? You just need to check the link in the description below. Once you open it, a Google Docs file will appear. Let me open it quickly. As you can see, the document looks something like this. Inside it, you will find 2 prompts. The first prompt is the idea generation prompt, and the second one is the visual generation prompt. The idea generation prompt will help us generate video ideas. And by using the second prompt, we can generate the visuals. In other words, the video itself. Now let me show you the practical process step by step so that even if you're a complete beginner, you'll still be able to follow along and create these videos easily. First, we will copy the first prompt. After copying it, we'll come back to ChatGPT and simply paste it here. Once we paste it and press enter, ChatGPT will generate 10 highly clickable YouTube video ideas based on animals with GoPro-style perspectives, exactly like we need. And the best part about this is that these ideas are not random or boring ideas. They are designed to be highly engaging and clickable, which is extremely important for YouTube success, because on YouTube, the more interesting your idea is, the more people will click on your video within seconds. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has generated multiple ideas for us. Each one of them is unique and interesting. So, what you need to do here is simply choose the idea that you personally find the most interesting. And if you feel like none of the ideas are good enough, don't worry. You can simply ask ChatGPT to generate more ideas. For example, you can type something like, "Give me 10 more ideas," and ChatGPT will instantly generate another list for you. But for me, these ideas are already good enough. From these, I really like the penguin idea, so I'll go with that one. Now, before copying it, we will go back to our Google Docs again. From there, we will copy the second prompt. So after copying it, we'll come back to ChatGPT and paste it here. Now, inside this prompt, you will see a place where it says paste title. Here you simply need to paste the idea that you selected earlier. In my case, I will paste the penguin video idea. Once you paste it, simply press enter. And as soon as you press enter, ChatGPT will start generating a complete video structure for you. This includes the full scene breakdown from start to finish. In other words, ChatGPT will now generate prompts for each scene of your video. This is actually one of the most powerful parts of this method. Instead of thinking about every scene manually, the AI automatically creates a full storyline for your video. So at this point, more than half of the work is already done. Now, the only thing left is generating the visuals for these scenes. For that, we will open a new tab in our browser. After opening the new tab, we will search for Grok. Grok is a completely free tool, and it gives you credits that allow you to generate videos without paying anything. So if you're just starting out and you don't want to invest money yet, this is a great option. Once you open Grok, you will see an interface that looks something like this. Now here, we don't need to do much. Simply click on the option called Imagine. Once you click on Imagine, a new interface will open. This is basically the main dashboard where our videos will be generated. Now, before generating anything, there are a few important settings we need to check. The first thing you need to check is the model selection. Make sure that the video model is selected. This is very important because sometimes the default setting is on image generation instead of video generation. The second thing you need to check is the aspect ratio. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Since we are creating short form content, portrait format is the best option. However, if you want to create long YouTube videos instead of of shorts, you can choose the landscape format. But for this tutorial, we will stick with portrait mode. Now, once these settings are ready, we will go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene 1. After copying the prompt, we will return to Grok and paste it exactly as it is. Do not change anything in the prompt. Then simply press enter. As soon as you press enter, the video generation will begin. Usually, this process takes around 20 to 30 seconds. And now our first scene has been generated. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, the quality is surprisingly good. The visuals look very realistic, and the details are quite impressive. Considering that we are generating this completely for free, the results are actually very powerful. Now, in order to generate the second scene, we need to maintain character consistency. This is extremely important. If we don't maintain consistency, the character or environment might change in the next scene. So what we need to do is go to the timeline of the generated video and move to the very last frame. Then we will save that last frame to our device. After saving the frame, we will also download the generated video clip. Now, once that is done, we will go back and upload the saved end frame as a reference image. This reference image helps the AI maintain visual consistency between scenes. In simple words, it tells the AI that the next scene should continue from this exact moment. After adding the reference image, we will go back to ChatGPT and copy the scene 2 prompt. Then we will return to Grok, paste the prompt, and press enter again. Now the second scene will start generating, and just like before, it will take only a short amount of time. And now the second scene is ready. Again, the quality looks very good. For a free tool, the results are honestly impressive. Now we will repeat the exact same process for the remaining scenes. First, we will save the end frame of the generated clip. Then we will add that frame as a reference image. After that, we will copy the next scene prompt from ChatGPT. Then we will paste it into Grok and press enter. By repeating this process again and again, we can generate all the scenes for our video. Once all the scenes are generated, we will have multiple video clips ready. Now comes the final stage of the process, which is editing. But don't worry, this is actually the easiest part. You can use any video editing software that you are comfortable with. For example, you can use Premiere Pro, CapCut, or DaVinci Resolve. In my case, I personally prefer using Premiere Pro, so I will open Premiere Pro. After opening it, I will create a new project. Then I will import all the clips that we generated earlier. Once the clips are imported, I will start arranging them in the correct order. This step is important because it ensures, after arranging the clips, the next step is adding background music. Background music helps make the video more engaging and emotional. It also keeps viewers interested throughout the video. And once you are completely satisfied with the final result, you can simply export the video in high quality. And that's it. Your AI-generated video is now ready to upload.